In India, every 5 minutes, someone is diagnosed with blood cancer or some sort of blood-related disorder. And to survive, they need blood stem cell transplants from matching donors. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of registered stem cell donors in India. And here's where you can make a difference. You have a power to give a second chance at life to these patients. Yes, you. And the best part, registration is free of cost, it's effortless, and it will only take 5 minutes of your time. All you need to do is go to the DKMS website, click on the Register Now button and fill out the form. A do-it-yourself swab kit will be delivered to your doorstep in just a few weeks. Follow the easy instructions. Return the kit with your signed consent form. And consider your mission accomplished.